Welcome to another video of Writing Fever, another course globalEDvantage. In this course, we have discussed more than about 100 of current affairs each month. Writing Fever is a community builder, it is a social media platform as well as it is a learning hub. In every month, there will be given 5 videos and each video there will be given 20 of current affairs. It is the first part of June 2020. So, if you want to download the PDF form of the current affairs and the GK with the explanation of the question answer that will be discussed on this session, you can download them from the link that will be given in the description box of this video. So you can get touch with us through the YouTube link that you have been shown on the screen, as well as you can search it on YouTube, that is Writing Fever. If you want to work as a franchise as well as a content writer, you can directly join with us through this link, that is www.writingfever.com/registration. If you have faced any problem during the content, regarding the PDF, regarding the video, you can directly contact us through the WhatsApp number that is given on the screen, that is 70021345118. So let's get started. The first question of June 2020 is the World Bank and Government of India has signed agreement along with which state to increase the access to affordable housing to low income group. Okay, that is that the India sign a agreement with whom? With the World Bank. Okay, for which state or with which state? What is the name of the state? There are 5 options you can see on the screen, that are Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra, and the correct answer is the Tamil Nadu. That is Tamil Nadu is the state. Okay, let's go down. That is question number 2. You can see on the screen, that is Tushar Mehta, Solicitor General of India, got 3-year extension of service recently. Name the Attorney General of India who got 1-year extension of the service. That is Tushar Mehta, one of the Solicitor General of India, who got how much extension? He got about 3 years of the extension of the service recently. And what is the name of the person who have got about 1 year of the extension? You can see there are 5 options on the screen, and the correct answer is the option number 5, that is K.K. Venugopal. Question number 3, you can see on the screen, that is who has received the first Professor P.C. Mahalanobis National Award in Official Statistics 2020. Okay, that is Professor P.C. Mahalanobis is a national award. And who was the first person, okay, who got this award? You can see there are 5 options, and the correct answer is the option number 3, that is Chakraborty Ranga Ranjan. Let's go down. That is question number 4. India has overcome the founding number of UN aliens for poverty eradication recently. How many people across the globe has classified as poor? Okay, you can see in this question also there are 5 options. Okay, that is in this question they ask how many people across the globe has classified as poor according to the aliens of poverty eradication. Okay, there are 5 options you can see, that is 2.1, 1.7, 1.4, 3.7 and 2.9 billion, and the correct answer is the 2.1 billion. Let's go down. That is question number 5. You can see on the screen, that is what is the amount was provided by World Bank to India for MSME emergency response program. Okay, you maybe everyone know the MSME of India, and the World Bank has provided, they provided an emergency response program. For what? For MSME. Okay. How many amount they provided? There are 5 options you can see on the screen. That is USD 750 million, USD 850 million, USD 500 million, USD 700 million, and USD 800 million. And the correct answer is the option number 1, that is USD 750 million, that they had provided to India's about 750 million, USD 750 million for what? For MSME emergency response program. Okay, let's go on. That is question number 6. You can see on the screen that the Raskiran Rai G Tanner SMD and CEO of which bank was extended for 2 years. Okay, he was a MD and CEO of a bank. Okay, and he was extended for 2 years. What is the name of the bank? You can see there are 5 options as always, and the correct answer is the Union Bank of India, that is UBI. UBI is the bank which has extended 2 years for whom? For Raskiran Raj J. Okay, let's go down. That is question number 7. You can see on the screen, that is who is among the following has won 2 awards under a category Best Innovation for COVID-19 Society and People's Choice COVID-19 Overall Winner in the 4th Annual Koch X 2020. Okay, you can see that there is a 2 award that has been given, that is Best Innovation for COVID-19 Society and People's Choice COVID-19 Overall Winner. Okay, and which of the following has won these 2 awards? You can see there are 5 options, that is MyGov Corona HealthX, Champions, COVID Taker, Arigyo City, Corona Chaos, and the correct answer is the MyGov Corona HealthX that won this award. Okay, let's go down. That is question number 8. You can see on the screen, that is which country plan to host 2021 Asian Pacific Economic Cooperation, that is APEC summit virtually. Okay, which country plan to host 2021 Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation? Okay, there are 5 options you can see, and the correct answer is the option number 3, that is New Zealand. Let's go down. That is question number, you can see 9, that is name the country which participated in PASSEX, that is PASSEX naval exercise at Malacca Strait with India to promote the understanding in Indian Ocean. Okay, what is the name of the country? You can see there are also 5 options. There are China, Japan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, and Myanmar, and the correct answer is the Japan. Okay, let's go down. That is question number, you can see 10 on the screen, that is name the National Doctor Day, that is NDD, was observed annually 1st July of every year. What is the theme of the NDD 20? Okay, that is National Doctor Day observed in which day of the year? In 1st July of every year. And what is the theme of 2020? That is there are varies in the theme of every year. And what is the theme of 2020? There are 5 options, and the correct answer is the lessen the mortality of COVID-19. Let's go down. That is question number 11. You can see on the screen, that is who is among the following were member of the International Scientific Group from by UN Global Food Summit 2021. You can see on the screen there are 5 options, and the options are: first one is the Ratanlal, second Umalele, third Rashtrati, fourth is both 1 and 2, and fifth is all the 1, 2, and 3. And the correct answer is the both 4 and both 1 and 2. That means the Ratanlal and Umalele both are the correct answer for it. Okay, let's go down. That is question number 12. You can see on the screen, that is who has authored the book titled Figure Higher Education 9 megatrain, which was released by Vice President of India. Okay, who released it by the Vice President of India, and the correct answer is the option number 4 of among the option, and that is the V. Pattabi Ram. Okay, let's go down. That is question number 13. You can see on the screen that is Russian electorate granted Vladimir Putin to stay at the president of the country till which year? Okay, that the Russia electorate granted Vladimir Putin to stay as a president in the country for which year, till which year? You can see there are options, that is 2027, 2029, 2024, 2036, 2032, and the correct answer is the 2036. Let's go down. That is question number, you can see 14. What is the increase in the percentage of the external debt of India March 2020 was compared to March 2019 as per RBI data? Okay, what is the percentage of increase of external debt of India to in, or that means till March 2020? Okay, there are 5 options, and the correct answer is the option number 3, that is 2.8. Let's go down. That is question number, you can see 15. Who is the overall winner of 2020 Commonwealth Short Story Prize? Okay, among the following option, who is the winner of 2020 Commonwealth Short Story Prize? You can see there are 5 options. The correct answer is the Kritika Pandey. Let's go down. That is question number what? That is question number 16. Let's read it. Who is the first to secure podium position of the International Ultra Cycling Race VRAAM? Okay, who was the first Indian to secure podium position? Okay, there are 5 options, and the correct answer is the Bharat Pannu. Let's go down. That is question number 17. Which country is the largest contribution of the e-waste in 2019 as per UN, the Global E-Waste Monitor to 2020 report? Okay, which country is the largest contributor for it? For what? For e-state. Okay, there are 5 options you can see, and among them, which is the best? Okay, that is the China. That is option number 1. Let's go down. That is question number 18. You can see on the screen. That is, name the person who has appointed as the new Prime Minister of the France. Okay, what is the name of the new Prime Minister of France? Okay, there are 5 options you can see on the screen, and the correct answer is the option number 1, that is Jean Castex. Let's go down. That is question number 19. Let's read it. That is Mars Orbiter Mission, that is MOM. Mars color camera has captured closest and the largest moon of Mars, Phobos, recently. MOM is associated with which country? Okay, that Mars Orbit Mission, Mars camera has captured the closest and the largest photo of what? Of Phobos. It is the moon of the Mars. From which country this word is, that is MOM, is associated? You can see there are 5 options. The correct answer is the 4, that is India. Let's go down. That is the last question of the session, that is March, June. Okay, June 2020 of the part 1. You can see this, the badminton champion of the Lin Dan announced retirement recently belong to which country? Okay, you can see there this badminton champion Lin Dan announced the retirement recently. Okay, he is a what he is? He is a badminton champion, and he is belong to which country? You can see there are 5 options. The correct answer is the option number 5. You can, okay, that's all for today. If you have not seen yet the previous session, that is May 2020 session, you can directly contact with us that is you can watch it on YouTube to Writing Fever, and you can also read it on our official website, that is writingfever.com. If you download the PDF from the description box of the video, you can you have been given the link of this session of the May 2020. You can watch it from the link directly. Okay, and this is our YouTube link, and it is the globalEDvantage. All the video under the course globalEDvantage will be given under the playlist. Okay, everyday history, you can also watch the everyday history from our YouTube channel. For it, you can directly go through this link of the playlist, that is history of the day, under the YouTube channel, that is Writing Fever. So if you want to work as a franchises or as a content writer, you can directly contact us through the registration form. That is, the link is the www.writingfever.com/registration. If you want to download the PDF of this session, you can directly download it from the link that will be download link of the PDF that will be given on the description box of the video. The download from the download link, you can download it. So thank you so much.